Are you looking for the best portable GPS trackers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best portable GPS trackers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Mobile 204G GPS Tracker for Vehicles. We tested the Mobile 200 GPS tracker by placing it under the rear frame of a vehicle and tracking a week's worth of daily routes, including highway drives and city traffic. The Mobile 200 portable tracker gave us accurate location history and clear stop durations, which helped us understand not just where the car went but how it was used. The magnetic mount felt solid and secure during rough conditions, and the waterproof design handled rain without issue. The battery lasted close to 7 days with frequent updates, and the app let us check power levels and movement alerts at a glance. We appreciated the built-in audio monitoring that gave context when the car was in motion, especially for younger drivers. One thing we noticed was that the tracker's size made it more visible than others, so it takes a bit more effort to place it discreetly. Number 2. Invoxia Cellular GPS Tracker. We tested the Invoxia tracker over a 2-month period to see how it performs without requiring ongoing subscription costs, and it delivered exactly what we hoped for. With the 1-year plan included in the purchase, we were able to use real-time tracking, movement alerts, and location history without paying anything extra during that time. Invoxia portable GPS tracker was especially useful for tracking a parked vehicle and a home delivery package across state lines, and the battery lasted over 8 weeks before needing a recharge. The app interface worked smoothly, giving instant motion alerts and letting us check route history whenever we needed. This is one of the few GPS trackers that feels like a smart long-term investment because it skips the hassle of monthly billing. The only thing we found is that updates are slightly delayed if the tracker has been idle too long, so it's better suited for monitoring things that move periodically rather than every minute. Number 3. Whistle 3. We used the Whistle 3 during a weekend at a crowded beach where our dog had plenty of room to run. The GPS tracking worked in real time and helped us find him quickly each time he wandered too far from our spot. Its portable design made it easy to move between collars without needing any setup changes. We liked how it stayed out of the way during swimming, running, and long naps, and still kept tracking without interruption. The activity reports helped us understand when our dog was most active and if anything seemed out of the ordinary. The only challenge we faced was that on smaller dogs, the device felt bulky and moved around more than we wanted. Number 4. Tracki GPS Tracker for Vehicles. Tracki works as a truly mini portable GPS tracker. We tested it in fast-moving environments and tight spaces where a larger device would fail to stay hidden or functional. We placed it inside a child's school bag, under a car seat, and even clipped it onto a drone during flight practice. In each case, the device held steady and gave location updates with minimal lag. Its global SIM and fallback on Wi-Fi and GSM signals helped it stay connected when GPS lost visibility. The one issue we faced was the battery drain in live tracking mode, which required recharging every 2 days when updates were set to run frequently. Number 5. LandAirSea 54. A kid's portable GPS tracker needs to be small enough to hide, smart enough to update fast, and tough enough to survive backpacks, playgrounds, and bike rides. That's where the LandAirSea 54 did exactly what we needed it to do. We installed it inside a school bag, then placed it on a scooter frame using its built-in magnet, and both times it stayed locked in and responsive. The Silver Cloud app mapped out movement clearly, even showing stop-and-go locations on the route home. This device doesn't get in the way of daily life, which is what makes it feel truly portable. Its only weak spot showed up when left idle too long. It waited for motion to wake up, so there was a delay if the child stayed still for long periods.